Step parenting can be very stressful for many couples, especially in the beginning. If certain issues are not addressed early, the marriage could be severely damaged. Therefore, if you marry someone with children, especially if one or more of the children will live in your household, I strongly encourage you to have a candid discussion about parenting issues with your spouse before you are faced with parenting issues that could fracture your marriage. As you try to mold your blended family into one cohesive unit, consider the following tips. They may help you work through any tension and develop a stronger relationship with your spouse and stepchildren. Number 7, honor and respect your spouse. Pleasing God should be your first priority in life. After pleasing God, you should strive to honor, respect, and please your spouse. As your stepchildren witness the kindness you show their natural parent, they will likely develop positive feelings toward you. This may be especially true if they've witnessed their parent being mistreated or abused in a previous relationship.